Good morning, students. This is the second video for revision of your maths unit test. In this video, I am going to take some more questions from the topic of real numbers. And the first question is, find the largest number which divides 129 and 545, leaving remainders 3 and 5 respectively. Now, in this question, we have to find out the largest number. So that means we have to go for the SCF. Now, how to proceed? The method is the required number. So first we are going to subtract 3 from 129 and 5 from 545, and we will get two new numbers, 126 and 540, and this should be exactly divisible. That means the number should be exactly dividing 126 and 540. So the method is very simple. First we are going to subtract 3 from 129, 5 from 545. We will get two new numbers. Now we will find out the SCF of the two numbers, that is 126 and 540. I am going to use the method of prime factorization method, and the prime factor of 126 is here 2 into 3 power 2 into 7, and 540 is 2 power 2 into 3 power 3 into 5, and the SCF will be coming as the product of the common terms with lowest power. That is the method of prime factorization for finding SCF. So we will look for the common number. The common number is 2. We will go for its lowest power, that is 2 power 1. The common factor is 3 and its lowest power is 3 power 2, and so the required number will be coming as 18. So this is the first pattern of the question which I am going to explain today. Then we are coming to the next pattern, and the question is, find the largest number which divides 245, 1037, leaving remainder 5 in each case. Now again we have the word largest number. That means we have to go for the SCF of the two numbers. So first step, if you look at here, the required number which divides completely will be obtained by 245 minus 5, that is 240, 1037 minus 5, that is 1032. Now we have to find a number which can divide these two numbers perfectly, and that can be obtained by SCF. So the required number will be the SCF of 240 and 1032. We will go for the prime factor of 240, that is 2 power 4 into 3 into 5. The prime factor of 1032 will be 2 power 3 into 3 into 43. And as we know, in the case of SCF, we will look for the common factors with its lowest power. So the common factor is 2, its lowest power is 2 power 3, and the second common number is 3, and the lowest power is 3 power 1. Multiplying these two numbers, we will get the answer as 24. So 24 is the required number which will be having the number 240 and 1032 exactly divisible. This is the pattern number 2 which I have taken up today. Then I go for the next pattern. This also we have done in our previous video. The question is, the SCF of two numbers is 23. The LCM is 1449. If one of the numbers is 161, find the other number. Now here, to solve this question, we have a ready-made formula which we have already discussed, that the product of the two numbers will be equal to the product of SCF and LCM. So the solution is, for the two numbers A and B, we know that A into B equal to SCF of AB into LCM of AB. Now A is given as 161, the SCF is given as 23, the LCM is given as 1449. Now we are going to use this formula and we are putting the values here. 161 into B equal to 23 into 1449, which after solving is going to give me the answer as 207. And so the second number will be 207. So this formula was already explained in my previous video, and that is why I have taken this question once more as a revision question. The last pattern of the question which I am going to revise today is here. Two tanks contain 504 and 735 liters of milk respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container which can measure the milk of either tank an exact number of times. Now here the word exact number of time means we have to look for the factors of 504 and 735. So this is the key word in this word problem. And so we will first go for the prime factor of the two numbers. 504 will be 2 power 3 into 3 power 2 into 7. 735 will be having the prime factor of 5 into 3 into 7 power 2. And as we know, for the SCF we will look for the common factor. The common factor is 3 and 7. The lowest power of 3 is 3 power 1 and 7 power 1, which multiplied is going to give me the answer as 21. So the capacity of the container should be 21 liters. In this question, the exact number of times was the keyword. On the basis of this keyword, we have come across to the method that we have to find out the SCF of the given two numbers. So these are the few questions which I have taken up as the topic of revision. I hope you have understood this topic. So thank you and have a nice day.